Northwest will face the winner of Emporia State and Minnesota Duluth.
Congratulations, you're one of the fifth-year seniors. This is your fifth time technically you've been invited to the playoffs. You were there back in 2010 when you won the national championship. Got to be a special day for you to close out your senior year with another bid.
It definitely is. I mean, it's something we've worked for, all season, and I mean, every guy on this team has worked for the same goal, and that goal is to win a national championship, and that's where we set the bar at, and we're hoping to reach that here this year.
The margin of error is so slim in the fact that you can only maybe one loss and maybe two, you're definitely not going to be in the playoffs. So when you look at your season, this pretty much has been almost a playoff run almost since the first weekend, because again, one loss, it's doubtful, two losses, definitely out. So you guys probably a little bit mentally prepared that since you lost to Mankato, it's almost been like playoff football?
Yeah, we go into every game thinking that, one game could put us out, and at the start of the season, we obviously strive for that perfect season, and we know that that's what it's going to have to take. And this year we had a tough loss to Mankato, but every game since then, it's been that mentality, that one and done, but we've come here so far, so we're good.
And not only get a bid, but you get to play at home, at least one more game. And from what we've heard, it's going to be a 4 o'clock in the afternoon game, which means it'll be a little colder. Not only playing at home, but playing at night's got to be a little much of a somewhat of an advantage for you guys.
Oh, we love playing at home. We love our atmosphere. The defense plays well at home. The offense plays great at home, and we wouldn't rather have anywhere else. So we'll get it done this weekend.
And lastly, again, being that you're the team that's been to the playoffs 6 straight years now, what kind of benefit is that compared to a team like maybe Emporia that hasn't been to the playoffs and doesn't really know that kind of atmosphere?
I think it's an advantage. Maybe on the nerves aspect of it, like we've definitely been here before. We definitely know what to expect. But both teams still got to do what we got to do on Saturday. And like you said, one slip up, that works for a game too. So we got to play perfect.